SimpleLab makes soil testing easy. Choose an area that is as uniform as possible in appearance, texture, slope, and past treatment. Dig a hole 6 to 8 inches deep. If you're sampling soil beneath a lawn, only dig a hole 4 to 6 inches deep. Carve a thin slice, roughly 1 inch of soil from the side of the hole. Remove the top and bottom portion of the sample, leaving about an inch of subsample of soil. Place this subsample into the provided container. If you're specifically concerned about surface contamination, using a clean small shovel, scoop roughly 2 inches of soil off of the top of the area of concern. Place the sample into the provided container. If you're concerned about contamination over a larger area, collect subsamples at different locations evenly spaced throughout the designated area of concern. Place into a clean container, mix the subsamples, and with clean hands remove any rocks, weeds, or roots from the subsamples. Fill the sampling container to the top, seal tightly, and return to the kit. Complete both of the following for fastest reporting: the paper sample information card and the digital sample information. Pack it up, attach the shipping label, and ship it, and your results will be ready soon.